How to save ChatGPT conversation as PDF in mobile. If you've ever had a great conversation with ChatGPT and wanted to save it as a PDF, you're in the right place. In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to easily save a ChatGPT conversation as a PDF on your mobile phone. So let's jump right in. First, open your ChatGPT conversation on your mobile device, whether you're using ChatGPT through the browser or the app. Now, once you've found your conversation where you want to save, what you can do is tap on the share icon at the top. From there, simply click on print. Now here you can find your layout. Now here you can see your paper size, copies, orientations, and scaling. You can edit however you want. Simply tap on paper size, whether you want your paper to be in a letter format, A4 or A3, choose whichever you prefer, and go back to options and let's make orientation. Whether you want portrait or landscape, you can choose whichever you want. Once you've chosen your layout, simply tap on share at the top and simply click on save to file. Now here simply click on save and that's it. That's how you can simply save your conversation with ChatGPT as a PDF on your mobile.